Welcome to H2K Infosis. H2K Infosis is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
What is problem here? Right. Okay, come on. We'll see now. Simple things. So right. No. Right. Come on. Right now we're going to look at our abstract class, okay? What is an abstract class first of all? See here. If at all we declare a class as abstract, we can call it as an abstract class. Right? See here, our class is person, and our class person we have declared it as abstract here. Till now we have seen work with only concrete classes. Come on. Now we can say our class as a concrete class because the class is not declared as abstract. But whenever we declare the class as abstract here, we can say the class as abstract class. Right, come on. Shraddha, can we create object of a concrete class? Yes, right. But we cannot create object of an abstract class. Remember all of you? We can create object of a concrete class, no problem. But coming to abstract class, we cannot create object because abstract class is a class which is incomplete. Come on. Abstract class, class name. You have properties here like person number and person name. These both are properties of a class person. Okay. Whereas put data is a abstract method. Come on. Methods are of two types. One is concrete methods, the other one is abstract methods. Till now, as a part of our programming, we have seen regarding work with only concrete methods. What is concrete method? Example here, put person is a concrete method. A method which is properly defined is what called as a method which is properly defined. We can call it as a concrete method. The method which has some body is what called as a concrete method. Whereas here, abstract method, it will not have any kind of body. Simply, the method which is declared as an abstract method will be declared as abstract and simply end with semicolon. Need not to give any kind of opening brace and closing brace, okay? Nothing else is there to be given. Need not to give any kind of body for our abstract method, okay? So simply here end with semicolon. We call it as abstract method. A method which doesn't have any kind of body, simply which is declared as abstract is what called as abstract method. Understand? So in a single class we may have any number of abstract methods. If at all you want to make any method of a class as a abstract method, it is mandatory that our class also should be declared as a abstract method. We can declare abstract methods only inside abstract class. Okay. So as we are declaring put data as an abstract method now, it is mandatory that our class person should be declared as abstract method. Okay. See, in an abstract class, we may have only concrete methods, no problem. Or you may have only abstract methods, no problem. Or you may have combination of both abstract methods and also concrete methods, no problem at all. All of you remember? Coming to abstract classes here, we can declare references, but we cannot create object for any of these abstract classes, no problem at all. We cannot create object of abstract class. We can declare only reference of our concrete class. Okay, we can declare only reference of abstract class, but we cannot create object of abstract class. Okay. Now, why are we giving it as dummy here? Come on, because here you have a concept called as subclass responsibility. It means whatever class is extending our abstract class, that the subclass will be having responsibility to define all the abstract methods of superclass. So whatever methods are defined, whatever methods are declared in our abstract class, all those methods are expected to be defined inside subclass. So subclass is having responsibility to define all the methods of superclass. Come on, right now students is subclass. We are extending persons class. Come on. What is persons here? Persons is a abstract class. So here what is subclass responsibility now? Shraddha? Come on.
To define the method put data.
Value different.
The subclass, whichever is extending class persons.
So what are the abstract methods are there in our superclass? all those abstract methods of superclass are expected to be defined in our subclass. It is mandatory. So in our superclass we have put data. So we have redefined now put data in our subclass. Okay. It is superclass method which we are overriding in our subclass. So this time we are doing some calculation of total marks and we are displaying all the details of a student here. Okay. Nothing is new. Rest assured is same. Yes or no? Come on. Rest assured is same, right? This is also normal, which we have already discussed a lot of times. Uh, Abu Talib, what do we call this? What's happening in this line of code? Come on. Abu Talib, quickly. Come on. Right. Okay. Any queries here? Okay, Shraddha, can you explain this? What's happening here in this line of code?
The variable TOT is of integer type and we want the result in double type.
Hmm.
So we are typecasting the variable TOT.
Yes. Right now, totally the integer type. So it will consume 4 bytes of memory. And integer by integer is always integer, but we want to have double type as a result. So we are converting here integer type into double type. So it will consume only 4 bytes of memory. Okay, in general, double requires 8 bytes of memory. But here, only this line of code it will act as a double constant. Understand? So this typecasting will be confined only for this single line. This single line. Once we come out of this single line of code, okay, this total will be remained as same integer variable. Okay, there is no more typecasting, nothing. Understand? Or next, see it is separate class here. What are we doing now? We have defined main method now. Come on. Now, okay, I'll show diagram here. Come on. See here. See it is super class here. What is super class here? Person. What is subclass here? Student. Come on, Sukada. You coming to rules of rules are same or not? All rules
Yeah,
are same, right? Yes.
yeah,
All rules are same. Maybe for a super class instance, different subclass instance, or for abstract
mm,
classes, or for interfaces, all rules are same, right?
yes.
What are those rules? Sukada?
All the methods of, I mean, all the superclass methods can be accessed by the subclass. Then, if it is overriding, then the method of the subclass will be executed, and
Okay.
all the subclass own methods will be not considered or not
Very good.
will
Very
be
good. Very
ignored.
good. Right. Come on, see now here. So see here. Here now, uh, in an abstract class, is it mandatory to have abstract methods? In an abstract class, is it mandatory to have abstract methods? Shraddha,
No.
is it optional or mandatory? It is optional. In abstract class, we may have only abstract methods, or we may have only concrete methods, or we may have combination of both abstract methods as well as concrete methods. No problem. Understand? No, come on. Now, can we create object of our person class now, Vijay?
Yes,
Can we create object of person class now?
yes.
Sure. It is abstract class. It is not a concrete class. Okay. It is abstract class. Can we create object of our abstract class now or anytime?
Abstract
Please.
class, I think it's not possible.
For abstract class, we cannot create object. We can declare reference, but we cannot create object. Example. Come on, see here. What do you call this single line comment, right? In this commented code I have written here. See, person class after new person now, because person class object we cannot create because person class is a concrete. It's not a concrete class,
Shazana,
so we cannot create object directly. So what we can do? For person class we can declare reference, and we can allocate memory of subclass. Understand? We can declare reference of superclass, but we need to allocate memory of subclass. Is it clear now?
Sure.
Now all rules are same here, okay? See, we can do like that, or we can do like this. We can also do like this. See here, directly we can create object of student class. Because student is subclass or superclass? Subclass, right? Come on. Our student is concrete class or abstract class? Vijay?
Concrete class.
Very good. So for a concrete class, can we create object or not?
Yes.
Come on, are we creating an object or not now?
Yes.
Yes. Now for our person class now, we can declare reference and we can refer like this. We can refer our subclass reference, no problem. Understand?
Sure.
Come on, see now the same thing we are doing here. See, right now we are creating object of student class here, which is a concrete class, and for our constructor we have passed 4 arguments. Right? Come on, Vijay. At what time our constructors will be invoked?
When it is instantiated.
Yeah, whenever the
Object.
object is created immediately, respective constructor will be invoked, and we are passing all these 4 arguments for our constructor. Right? Now, student class object is ready. Next, we are declaring reference of superclass now, our person class now, and it is the same superclass instance is referring to our subclass instance now, which belongs to students. Okay. So see now here, all the rules are same. Come on, see now all of you see diagram now. Come on. Can we call put data now? Yes, no. Come on, Vijay.
Yeah.
Can we call put data method now? Or will it call
Yeah.
put data of superclass or subclass now?
No, the student
Very good.
student data will be called.
Subclass, right? Because anyway,
Yes.
whatever it is here, anyway, superclass.
Overridden.
All right. It will not be
Yep.
called however it is. So anyway, we are making it abstract here. So anyway, however it is, logic of superclass will be wasted. So why to write that logic? Simply make it as an abstract method. Clear now?
Okay.
Very good. Next, come on. Can we call put person now? Come on, Vijay, quick.
Yes.
Can we call put result here?
Put result cannot be called.
Very good. The same thing. See now here, the same thing is given here. Here, how are you able to call put result here? Directly we are using yes. What is here? S is object of student class. Is it clear to all everybody here? If any points are not clear, please raise your hands. Any of you, quickly. Clear everybody? All right.
Hello, Prasad. Sir?
Yeah, please.
Why do we use an abstract class? What is the importance of it?
Anyway, see here. Earlier I said regarding superclass instance and subclass instance, right? Yes or no? In our previous
Yes.
examples, we have said there we have also defined method of superclass, yes or no?
Yes.
But is it called or not?
It is called.
Earlier in superclass method, when we override it, does it call the
No,
subclass
it is
method or
not
superclass
called.
method?
It is not. Subclass
So-
method is
So
called.
the logic of superclass is waste or not?
Yes.
So instead of defining it, simply declare it as abstract method.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, got it. Okay, got it.
Simply it is incomplete, okay? But anyway, if the reference is not there in parent class, if the prototype is not declared in superclass, you cannot call own methods of subclass, right? We cannot call own methods of subclass. Example here,
Yeah.
put result is own method of subclass. We cannot call
Subclass.
it. So we require its prototype in superclass. And defining it is meaningless. Anyway, it is not going to get called. Simply declare it as a abstract method. Clear now?
Okay.
Very good. Same thing see now here. Now all of you should explain me this now. Because everything is what we already learned. Nothing is new. Come on. Which kind of relationship do we call it? Shraddha? Shraddha? Yeah, we call it as hierarchical inheritance. Very good. Come on here. Now, put data is in superclass and the same put data is also it is there declared as a abstract method in superclass. The same method is redefined in both the subclasses because we have a concept called as subclass responsibility. So both subclasses have defined the same method put data. All right. Now see here everything is what you know, nothing is new. Come on. First of all, I'll show you output of this program. Let's see output. This is output here. We'll see next application now. See, person class, which is declared as abstract class, and put data is abstract method. Student class extends superclass person. It is constructor. It is put data. What is put data? Put data is abstract method of superclass. Okay. Same employee is another subclass extend. Same superclass person, which is a abstract class. It is constructor of employee class. It is put data, which is a abstract method of superclass. Next, it is separate class. We have defined the main method, and we declare reference to superclass person. And right now we are creating both student class as well as employee class. Now, superclass instance is referring to subclass instance. What is P here? P is superclass person. What is here? Receive object of student class. Now we are saying now period put data. Now come on, Shraddha. It calls you put data of person class or student class. Very good, because it is referring to student class. Because a person class is referring to student class, so it calls you only put data of student class. Come on now here. We'll say like P is equal to E. What is E here? Object of employee class. Now parent class is referring to employee class, right? Now whenever we call put data now, come on. It calls you put data of student class or employee class now.
Employee class.
Very good, because it is referring to employee class. See here. Here also period put data. Here also period put data. Look wise both are looking same. Yes or no, Vijay?
Yeah.
Here it is period put data. Here also it is period put data. Looking wise both are same, right, Vijay?
Correct.
But here it is calling you put data of which class?
It is calling student.
Here?
Here it is calling employee because it is pointing there.
Binding. Here it is binding to student class. Here it is binding to employee class. Okay? That's the way how it works. Is it clear now to you? Or everybody? Right? Is it clear to you all, everybody? One more point here. Come on. Here, see. Here abstract class is person, right? Come on. If at all we declare the subclass outside abstract class. Okay. And if we do not define this put data, what to do now? What are the classes exceeding our student class? That subclass will have responsibility to define the methods of abstract. So if at all you may have an abstract class having an abstract method, the subclass has not defined our abstract method, then you should also declare subclass as a abstract class. In that case, you should also declare our class as abstract class. So whichever class is exceeding our abstract class, that abstract class will have responsibility to define abstract methods, because we have a concept called as subclass responsibility. So here our result class should define put data method which belongs to person class. Is this point clear to you all, everybody? If this point is not clear, please.
Yeah, can you explain one more time, please?
Yeah, please. See here. In a we have a rule that what are the methods are declared as abstract in our superclass, all those abstract methods are expected to be defined in subclass. If at all subclass has not defined abstract methods in subclass, in that case, we should also declare our subclass as a abstract class. So whichever class extends our abstract class, that class will be having responsibility to define abstract methods. Here put data is abstract method. The same method is defined as concrete method in result class. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
That's it. With this we are done with abstract classes. Tomorrow we start working with interfaces. Any queries to any of you? And by tomorrow all of you are expected to revise all concepts. Tomorrow we are going to finish interfaces and we are going to work with next. Tomorrow we finish work with interfaces, okay? Tomorrow we finish working with interfaces and we will also finish working with packages, okay? Tomorrow we finish these both topics. and if possible, we also start exception handling. All right. Okay. Is it possible to you all to come by 6 o'clock? Sorry, your time, 7 o'clock your time? All of you, please respond quickly. Okay, fine. Is it possible to come earlier to 7:30? Earlier than 7:30 p.m. Okay, fine. So all of you come by 7:30. Okay. All right. All of you come by 7:30. All right. Okay. Thank you all. All of you do revise all the concepts covered syllabus, so we can finish. Okay. Thank you all.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.